Hello, children. This week, we're learning about the letter G. Can you think of words that start with the letter G? Good, you're right. Gorilla, grapes, goat. There are lots of words that start with the letter G. The letter G can make the hard G sound G. It can also make the soft G sound J. What is this bird cutting with his lawnmower? That's right, he's cutting the grass. Our color of the week is gray. Can you think of anything that's gray? Elephants are gray. Clouds are gray. This week, our number is the number 6. It's really easy to draw the number 6. And we are also going to write the number 6. See, that was pretty easy. Our shape is a crescent. Can you think of things that look like a crescent? How about the moon? Or a croissant? Our sight words are here, I, for, get, and good. Why don't you try to make some sentences including these words? Have fun and have a great week.